Hey there, FPV fanatics and adrenaline junkies. Picture this. You're strapped into a pair of goggles, the world blurring into a rush of wind-whipped colors as your drone screams through a derelict warehouse at 80 miles per hour, dodging beams and flipping upside down like it's defying gravity itself. Heart-pounding, every twist captured in buttery 4K that turns your shaky helmet cam footage into cinematic gold. That's the DJI Avata magic that hooked us all back in 2022, and now, with the Avata 3 crashing the party, it's like strapping a rocket to that thrill. If you're across the USA, from Cali canyons to NYC rooftops, craving that next-level immersion without the pro pilot price tag, hold tight. Today's 30-minute leak-fueled frenzy unpacks every whisper from Shenzhen factories, prototype teardowns, and insider scoops that's got the drone world buzzing. We're talking blistering speeds, AI smarts that make crashes a myth, and a camera upgrade that could redefine your YouTube stunts. By the end, you'll be Googling pre-order links faster than a bullet pass. Let's dive headfirst into the chaos. Flashback to where it all ignited. The original Avata hit in April 2022 like a stealth ninja. DJI's first true FPV Cinewhoop, ditching traditional controllers for motion ones that let you lean into turns like a video game. At 410 grams with full guards, it was crash-proof fun in a box. 4K at 60 frames per second from a 1/1.7-inch sensor, 18-minute flights, and O3 transmission feeding 1080p to goggles with under 30 milliseconds latency. Then came the Avata 2 in April 2024, beefing up to a 1/1.3-inch sensor for 4K per 100 frames per second slow-mo dreams. 23 minutes of airtime on a 2,420 mAh battery, and top speeds of 97 kilometers per hour in sport mode. It crushed urban dives and backyard barrels, but pilots griped about wind wobbles and blind spot bonks. Enter the leaks. By February 2025, FCC filings teased Project Vortex, a codename insiders pinned on the Avata 3. Many prototypes surfaced on Notebook Check with sleeker props. August whispers from Drone XL hinted at a 1-inch sensor leap, and September teardowns via TechRadar spilled the beans on OcuSync 4.0 guts. No official word from DJI yet, but holiday 2025 drops or early 2026 unveils feel locked in, especially with US regs looming like storm clouds. So, what's the leaked juice that's got us salivating? Start with the airframe, the skeleton that turns whispers into roars. Clocking in under 500 grams fully kit, the Avata 3 keeps that bulletproof Cinewhoop vibe. Enclosed props with reinforced carbon fiber guards for tank-like durability, shrugging off warehouse walls or trail tumbles. Design tweaks? Leaks show a more hydrodynamic shell. Streamlined vents for level 6 wind resistance, up to 27 miles per hour gusts, keeping it stable over your Florida beach barrels or Rocky Mountain ridges. Colors pop in matte black stealth, or electric lime for that viral Insta-flex. Weight savings from magnesium alloys mean quicker launches, and quick-release batteries swap in seconds, no tools needed. For us Yanks dodging FAA red tape,